Pwede pong magtanong?
Ah, so, ganyan ba dapat ang mga nagtatanong? Kayong may kailangan di ho ba? Ganyan ba dapat ang boses ng mga nagtatanong, ma'am?
Pwede pong magtanong, sir?
Kaya ayusin ang boses, hindi ganyan. Akala mo kung sino ka.
Galit ka ba?
Yes.
Ay, hindi na ako magtatanong sa'yo kung galit ka.
Nahi, thinking about me, tomorrow, nari, so, you can see, maybe now, that's my
So, tell me, where are you in 24 hours? I am calling, I am chatting, 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 I am calling, I am chatting. All my account I use to chat you, to call you. I find your number, how to contact.
Lady Ray, how are you?
Sir, I am nervous, but I think it's natural because we have nervous system.
Excuse me ha, meron ho kayong gamot sa mahinang pandinig?
Meron po.
Wala. Sige, thank you.